guys! For this video, I'm going to show you a video tutorial about how to make a calculator using Visual Basic 6. So, let's start! In making a calculator, first of all, of course, we should open the application Visual Basic. Then, choose the standard format and click open. As you can see, we have two window here, the form 1 and the project 1. Okay, the second step is we're going to put a text box, 3 text box, 2 for the inputs and 1 for the result. So there. After we put the 3 text box, we're going to put the command button. We're going to put 4 command buttons, one for each operation. After we put the command buttons, we're going to change the caption of each commands into each operation. So we're going to change it here in the properties window on the right side. For command 1, we're going to put addition. For command 2, we're going to put subtraction. For the command 3, we're going to put multiplication. And for the last command, we're going to put division. After we put all the text box and the command buttons needed, we will arrange first the appearance of our calculator. So we can change the font size, and the font style. Look for the font here in the properties window, then double click it, then choose a font style that you want, for example here, and font size 24. Okay. There. Now after we change the font style and the font size, we're going to change the color of the background of our calculator. So at the properties window, we're going to look for the back color button and click, and look for the color that you want. Okay, so as you could see, we've already changed our background color. So now let's proceed to our codes. Before we encode our codes, we're going to click the first command button and then choose general. Choose general and then delete everything. There. Now, now we're going to type the codes. For this one, we're going to type dim as double. Then enter, and then let's now proceed for our command button 1. So for command button 1, we're going to put so now let's proceed for our command button number 1. We're going to click command 1 and then encode a is equals to val open parenthesis text 1 dot text close parenthesis then enter. Oh no. Then b is equals to val open parenthesis text 2 dot um, text 2 dot text then close parenthesis enter. The letter A and B symbolizes our text box 1 and text box 2. Then R symbolizes our text box number 3. So A plus B. Then enter. And then since it represents our text box 3, so text 3 dot text is equals to R. So that's our code for the operation for our operation number 1, which is addition. So what we're going to do next is just copy paste the code. So Control C, and then before you paste it, you will have to choose here command 2 first. Then paste, and then just change the sign. Since our command button number 2 is subtraction, we're going to put subtraction. There. Then enter, and then next choose command number 3 and then paste, change change it into multiplication. Oh, ayun. Okay. And then enter, and then for our last operation, which is division, command number 4, paste and change the sign into division. So let's see if this will work. So let's close the window, and now to see if this will run, let's click. You can click the run button on the top portion of your application and click start, or just simply click F5 for the shortcut. Now to try it, let's put some numbers, for example 12 and 12. Let's see for addition. You see the answer is 24. For subtraction is 0 multiplication, and division. So that's it. Um, Now we're going to close this button since it's working. Of course, we're going to save it. To save our project, we're going to click Save Project as, then name it VB6 Calculator, then click Save. Okay.
Go.
So that's it, guys. You see, our program works. So I hope you learned something from me. So that's all. Thank you for watching.